This is Lynchy. Lynchy himself. David Lynchy Mimsy von Hergen. Von Herman, rather. Von Hergen? That's a new one. But also, welcome in, Makeup Queen, and welcome in, Red Fox. How you doing, guys? Welcome to my humble abode. So fabulous and so fluffy. David Lynchy Mimsy von Herman is an eldritch being who was brought into our mortal plane in this mortal form by the mother of Furbies herself, Larvally. I merely adopted the Furbiness. Larvally was born into it, molded by it, raised by it. If you love Furby and Furby related content, I highly encourage you to go follow Lovely and just put me out of your mind. I am not worth an iota of attention compared to the mother of Furbies herself. I need this to be known. Furbiness, I feel like it kind of is a meme, and if Lovely continues being the prophet that she is for her long Furby, Vogue, then it surely will be an internationally recognized meme, and finally Furby Day will be an internationally recognized holiday. Also, thank you for the follow very much, Lynn's Makeup Queen. Welcome to the Square Gang. Squid Gang! I normally do that a lot more violently, but my throat is sore, so I'm not. I appreciate the follow. Welcome to our little community. And Adrian, thank you for the Discord command. Feel free to join our Discord if that sounds like something that would appeal to you. Yep. I might turn those over so they're laying down. A whole bin of Beanie Babies I still have to get rid of. I can't even think about Furbies right now. Yeah, Beanie Babies. What a thing, huh? What a thing. We didn't actually really have them in Australia. We had Beanie Kids instead, which were basically just the Australian version, except they were all bears as well. Bears with various, like, themes. Have you watched Lego Masters? I have watched the Australian Lego Masters, but not any of the foreign ones, because I think it's basically considered Australian one is considered to be one of the best ones.
Hello?
And I enjoyed it. I really liked Lego Masters, actually, except for a couple of people that were on the shows that I did not like, but anyway. I like the way you organize your Lego pieces. That's not random. That's a commonly held opinion, Ruth. I'm glad you like them. This is a technique called knolling, spelled with a K, Knolling, and it's just a mindfulness activity. You know, it's meditative, it's relaxing, it's chill. We're just vibing, arranging some Lego pieces. Hello, Uni, by the way, welcome in. You inherited these Beanie Babies. Oh, I see. Well, do the kids want them, Rick? Yes, I said knulling. Perfect.
How's that throat doing, TSG? Oh, screw it. How are you doing, TSG? Ask one hearth, ask one
I am
love.
doing splendid. There's someone like driving around really loudly outside, which is like it actually made the house shake a second ago. That was a bit of a shock. And it probably came up on in the mic as well. But yeah, knolling. This is called knolling, and it's just a way of arranging your pieces to make it easier to find them while you're actually building. But aside from that, it's also very meditative, relaxing, and I enjoy familiarizing myself with what pieces are in the bags before actually going ahead and doing the building. Plus, it makes actually building it take longer, which for me is a good thing because it means I get my money's worth. I get more value out of it if it takes longer to do. I gave give one to the dog and he chewed it up. Oh no. I've been having hot water with honey and lemon, Makeup Queen. I've been drinking it all day for the last couple of days. Even polybags or microfibers cannot be built without sorting first. Yeah, I do really need to know. I can build without doing it, but it just, I feel like it's doing myself a disservice. All right, Darcy, you heard Makeup Queen. You need to send me some hot honey tea ASAP. I'll settle for lemon and honey water. Nulling always calms you down. It's a mindfulness exercise. Pom? Sure. Yes, I saw your previous message. Would you consider a recording of Square Gang to mime to when you're feeling unwell? I actually have been thinking about adding another channel reward for a recording thing, where we get everybody to record themselves saying Square Gang in that way, or people that redeem the redemption at least saying Square Gang in that way, and then whenever someone follows, it plays all of the I'll put it all together into one sound. You know? That's what I'm thinking. Would you guys like to do that? Yeah, the Square Gang concert album, just like how we have with the hellos. By the way, Uni, you should record a hello as well. Of course, you would need to add a hello recording. But like, I do feel like, you know, you guys all say Square Gong in the chat when someone joins. But like, it would be good to have it be the entire community welcoming people when they follow. Yeah? I think it sounds clever, Roof. I like the cut of your jib, Roof. Say all the right stuff. I like this track. Got some Monopoly houses there. Yeah, just like this.
Hello?
How would I say the hello with a full stop, exclamation, or question mark? It's like this.
Hello?
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 Hello.
Hello?
Hello?
So the original concept you need is to say it as hello? Hello? Like that. So it's a question mark. But, you know, people have mixed it up. There's a couple of different takes on there. Hello? Not everybody says it the same way.
Hello?
You see? Wow, that timing! I play the hello sound of, like, I play Lovely's hello just as Lovely arrives. Incredible. Incredible. Hello, Lovely. Welcome in. Can you redeem a hello on Universe's behalf? He has enough channel points. He's a big boy. I mean, if you want, Bex, who am I to stop you? How do you record these? Well, Rick, you have a recording setup. You know what you're doing. Some people just record them on their phones and send them to me. Some people use their computers or whatever. Just record it as a as an audio file and post it in the Discord. That's usually how we do it. Thank you, Bex. I guess that was for Uni, right? Go on, Uni, you can do it. Go record it, post it in the suggestion box in the Discord, and it'll be added to the possibilities. Rick, you're going to do it as well? I do ask that you redeem the channel reward that Bex just redeemed as well. That gives you a ticket to get added to the options.